Go ahead, slice that avocado. It looks healthy, creamy, and full of life. But if you're over 60, what you're about to learn might change the way you eat it forever. Because even one of these 6 everyday avocado mistakes could quietly harm your heart, clog your liver, or even affect your brain. Avocados have been crowned the superfood of the century. Doctors recommend them, influencers glorify them, and they've become a symbol of clean eating, from breakfast toast to green smoothies. But shocking new research in 2024 has uncovered what most people miss. When handled the wrong way, avocados can trigger a chain reaction inside your body, increasing toxic oxidized fats by nearly 190% in just a few hours. These are the same fats that harden arteries and accelerate aging. Even worse, studies show that nearly every senior makes at least one of these dangerous mistakes without realizing it. And just one can raise stroke risk by up to 50% within a single week. So in this video, we're exposing 6 avocado habits that could be quietly sabotaging your health after 60. From allergic reactions and medication clashes to nutrient traps that steal your body's natural protection. Stay with me to the end, because mistake number 6 is the one even lifelong avocado lovers never see coming. And fixing it could be the easiest way to protect your heart, sharpen your memory, and keep your body strong for years to come. Mistake number 6, using unripe avocados. It might not sound serious, but eating an avocado that's still hard as a rock can quietly harm your digestion and rob you of the nutrients your body truly needs. You see, unripe avocados contain high levels of persin and tannins, natural plant defenses that make the fruit bitter and difficult to digest. For younger people, that might just cause mild discomfort. But for seniors, it can mean bloating, nausea, or even inflammation in the gut lining. According to research published in the British Journal of Nutrition, persin can interfere with how your body absorbs healthy fats and antioxidants, the very compounds that make avocados good for your heart and brain. In simple terms, when you eat an unripe avocado, you're working hard but getting very little in return. Dr. Elaine Morrison, a nutritionist who works with seniors recovering from heart surgery, often reminds her patients, a ripe avocado heals, but an unripe one can stress your system. She's right. Ripe avocados are rich in bioavailable monounsaturated fats, the kind that clean your arteries, balance hormones, and nourish your brain. But when the fruit is underripe, those fats are locked away in resistant starch that your body simply can't use. So here's the fix. Always test your avocado before eating. Gently press near the stem. It should give slightly, not feel firm or mushy. And if the nub under the stem is green, it's ready. If it's brown, it's past its prime. Small detail, big difference. A perfectly ripe avocado doesn't just taste better. It delivers every drop of healing nutrition your body deserves after 60. Mistake number 5, storing cut avocados the wrong way. This is one of the most common traps I see, even among health-conscious seniors. You cut an avocado, use half, and leave the other half sitting in the fridge with the pit still inside, thinking it'll stay fresh. Sadly, that's a myth. Within hours, oxygen begins a process called oxidation, turning the bright green flesh brown and stripping away precious nutrients like vitamin E and folate that protect your heart and brain. Even worse, studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition warn that improperly stored avocados can harbor bacteria such as Listeria monocytogenes, which thrive in moist environments and can pose serious risks to older adults. For someone over 60, a mild foodborne illness can quickly lead to dehydration, weakness, or even hospitalization. Nutrition expert Dr. Carla Jennings, who's studied food safety in seniors for over 20 years, explains it simply. An avocado's freshness isn't about the pit, it's about protection. She recommends brushing the exposed surface with lemon or lime juice right after cutting. The natural citric acid slows oxidation and helps preserve the healthy fats that keep your arteries flexible. After that, wrap it tightly in plastic or place it in an airtight container before refrigerating. And here's a key tip. Use it within 48 hours. After that, both flavor and nutrients start to fade rapidly. Treat your avocado like medicine for your body. Handle it with care, protect it from air, and it will reward you with the same heart-healthy fats and antioxidants that make it one of nature's best gifts for aging strong. Mistake number 4. Eating avocados while taking blood thinners. This one surprises many people because avocados seem so innocent, right? But if you're taking medications like warfarin or Coumadin to prevent blood clots, you need to be careful. Avocados are naturally rich in vitamin K, a nutrient that helps your blood clot. That's great for healing cuts, but it can quietly interfere with how your medication works, reducing its effectiveness and increasing your risk of dangerous clotting. In one clinical report from the American Journal of Medicine, doctors found that sudden changes in vitamin K intake, even from healthy foods like avocado or spinach, caused unstable INR levels in older patients. That means the blood became thicker than it should be, raising the chance of heart attack or stroke. Dr. Raymond Lopez, a cardiologist who treats seniors on long-term warfarin therapy, often puts it this way: it's not about banning avocados, it's about balance. The real danger comes from inconsistency, eating none one week, then several avocados the next. Your body can't adjust fast enough and the medication loses control. So here's what to do. Keep your avocado intake steady. If you normally eat half an avocado a few times a week, stay consistent. Don't double it overnight. And before making any diet changes, always check with your doctor or pharmacist. They can adjust your medication safely if needed. Remember, avocados can still be part of a heart-healthy diet, as long as you treat them with the same respect you give your prescriptions. Consistency keeps your blood and your health in perfect rhythm. Mistake number 3. Eating avocados if you have a latex allergy. This one catches many people off guard because few realize that avocados and latex share almost identical proteins. It's called the latex fruit syndrome, and it can cause serious allergic reactions in people who are sensitive. If you've ever had itching, swelling, or trouble breathing after using latex gloves or balloons, you could be at risk. Here's why. Your immune system can mistake avocado proteins for latex, triggering the same defense reaction. For some seniors, that means mild symptoms like tingling lips or a scratchy throat. But in others, it can escalate fast, even leading to anaphylaxis, a potentially life-threatening condition. A study published in the Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology found that nearly 50% of people with latex allergies reacted to one or more fruits in the same family, especially avocado, banana, and kiwi. What makes it tricky is that symptoms don't always appear right away. You might eat avocado for years without problems, then suddenly develop a reaction as your immune sensitivity increases with age. Allergist Dr. Megan Russo puts it plainly. Your body doesn't forget its allergies, it just waits for the right trigger. That's why testing is so important. If you suspect a latex sensitivity, ask your doctor for a simple IgE blood test or skin prick exam before including avocado regularly in your meals. It's not about fear, it's about awareness. For most people, avocados are wonderfully healthy. But for those with latex allergies, they can become an invisible threat. Knowing your body and getting tested could literally save your life and keep you enjoying food with peace of mind. Mistake number 2. Cooking avocados at high heat. Avocados are celebrated for their heart-healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats that protect your arteries and support brain function. But here's the catch. Those same fats are extremely sensitive to heat. When you fry, grill, or saute avocado over 350 degrees, 175 degrees, you're not just losing nutrition, you're creating harmful compounds that your body can't easily process. According to research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, heating avocado oil or flesh at high temperatures breaks down its natural antioxidants and forms acrolein, a toxic byproduct also found in burnt cooking oil. Acrolein is linked to inflammation, arterial damage, and even early cognitive decline in older adults. Nutrition scientist Dr. Laura McAdams explains, think of monounsaturated fats as delicate heart medicine. Handle them gently or they turn into poison. That's why professional dietitians recommend using avocado raw or adding it to warm dishes only after cooking. When exposed to high heat, even a few minutes in a frying pan can destroy up to 80% of vitamin E, one of your body's key defenses against oxidative stress. The good news? You don't need to give up your favorite meals. Just change when you add the avocado. Use it as a creamy topping on grilled chicken, blend it into a smoothie, or spoon it over warm rice bowls once the food has cooled slightly. That small shift keeps the good fats intact, the vitamins alive, and your heart protected. Remember, avocados are nature's butter, not cooking oil. Treat them gently and they'll return the favor for years to come. Mistake number 1, eating too much avocado every day. We've all heard the saying, too much of a good thing, and that's especially true with avocados. They're packed with healthy fats, yes, but those fats are still calories. One medium avocado can have more than 250 calories and 20 grams of fat. For a younger body, that's manageable. But for seniors, your metabolism slows down, your liver works harder, and excess fat can quietly build up where you least expect it. A 2023 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that while moderate avocado intake improves cholesterol and heart function, overconsumption can lead to fatty liver accumulation and sluggish digestion in older adults. This happens because the liver must process every gram of fat you eat, even the good kind. Too much can overwhelm your system, leaving you feeling heavy, bloated, and tired instead of energized. Geriatric dietitian Dr. Alan Peters explains, your body after 60 doesn't burn fat like it did at 30. It conserves it. That's why portion control is key. Half an avocado a day gives you all the fiber, potassium, and healthy oils your body needs, without overwhelming your liver or digestive tract. Here's a simple rule. Pair your avocado with variety. Balance it with other good fats like almonds, olive oil, or salmon. That way, you're not relying on one source and your body gets a broader range of nutrients. Avocados are powerful, but they're not meant to dominate your plate. Think of them as a supplement, not the main course. Enjoy them wisely and you'll get all the heart, brain, and digestive benefits without the hidden burden. Handled the right way, avocado truly is one of nature's most powerful gifts, rich, healing, and protective. But like any good thing, the benefits depend on how wisely we use it. For seniors, that means paying attention to the small details, how ripe it is, how you store it, and whether it mixes safely with your medications. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive. What once felt fine at 30 might feel heavy or risky at 70. So don't just toss an avocado into every meal because it's healthy. Instead, listen to your body, talk with your doctor, and make small, thoughtful choices. When used right, avocados can strengthen your heart, calm inflammation, and keep your mind sharp well into your golden years. If today's video helped you, please tap like, share it with a friend or parent who loves avocados, and subscribe for more practical, science-based tips to stay strong, healthy, and confident at any age. Your best years are still ahead, and they start with simple, mindful habits like this one.